How to buy shares of Sitowise Group Oyj is the question we answer today. Sitowise is a Finland-based firm working in digital construction, infrastructure design, and surveying. It is listed on the CBOE EU market under the ticker SITOWS.HE. This information is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I use eToro as a clear example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your identity, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker SITOWS.HE to find the correct listing. Double-check the exchange and company name to ensure you have the right Sitowise share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for SITOWS.HE. Confirm the company name and details to make sure this is the Sitowise Group Oyj share you intend to buy. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your Sitowise position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the link if you want to follow the same example.